Hi everybody and welcome to this walkthrough of our Back to Basics journal. It's taken us, 2 or 3 weeks I think, to complete this journal, all the pockets and tucks and tags and everything that's in it. But it's been done in a fairly basic way, so new starters could find their way through it, and now they will have all the skills that they've learnt from this that they can take onto their own journals. So let's have a look inside, see what's there. It's held together with just a piece of seam binding like that. It's loose, it comes off, and this is a fabric cover. It's a soft cover, but it's very, very pretty, and it's got book corners on. This is the die cuts from the paper kit that I was using, which was called Tender Spring, which is a bit out of kilter because we're just into autumn, but be spring somewhere. And it's got some Prima flowers stuck on it. It's got a little mat around the card there, and then you open it up, and this is the paper for the inner cover, and I absolutely love it. It is so perfect for this journal. Anyway, here we go. So we've got a pocket with lace on and two tags, lace on the top and tied off, and they're all backed with square paper that you can journal onto. And there's some just very light stenciling done on the background. I opted to make my journal in pink. I just thought it would be pretty. And then over here we've got just a little tuck spot at the bottom with a journaling card, a book page, which is really, really nice. I love that. I think it goes very well with the journal. Then here we've got a corner tuck and a big journaling card. Plenty of journaling, more stenciling. Plenty of journaling in here. So, you don't need to be afraid to use it. There's also a little bit of journaling to be had on there, really, which I've put on as decoration, but you could write something there. Excuse me. Then here we've got a belly band down here, and a little topper that says the most beautiful moments, which is lovely. And isn't that gorgeous? Journaling card. It's just, these papers are so pretty. Then we've got a book page that's of deer and elk and moose and what have you. And then on the back it tells you about them. And then we've got this lovely little notebook in here. Really useful little notebook. Lots of pages to journal in. And it just slides into that horizontal belly band with stenciling again. Here we've got a little envelope, and it's held in place by this. You open it up, and inside is a little journaling card. How cute. So that goes back into there. Whenever you please, thank you. And that folds down, that just keeps it shut. And then at the back we've got a big journaling card. More stenciling around the place. Get in. Some journaling space, a floating pocket, this one. Really, really nice. I really like it. It's just held on with a paper clip. Look at that page, it's perfection. Journaling card in there. And then on the back, it's clear, so you can journal on there. And it just paper clips onto the side of that page. Then this is our centre spread, and look at that. How pretty. It's just so pretty. And it's got a big journaling tag in either side that goes all the way up to the centre. So it's a massive journaling card with journaling on the back. It just slides into there like that. This one's the same. Then here we've got a corner tuck, and in the tuck we've got a journaling card, graph paper on the back, more stenciling, and this flips up, so you've got some secret journaling. I do love a bit of secret journaling. I haven't put anything on here because I think when you flip that back it'll just get in your way when you're trying to write, so I've left that plain, but there's a lovely little bit of journaling in there. Then the other side of our graph paper, and then here we've got a little scrap notebook, they're called, on a horizontal belly band, some stenciling again, of course, and I've just used copier paper, squared paper, all sorts of things in there. I just stapled it down, that's all it needed, and used the design paper at the back like that, so it looks pretty. And the back just slides down through that belly band like that, and it sits very nicely there. Over the page we've got another floating pocket. Similar sort of story, that's it there. On the back there's journaling card in there. And it just pops up onto there like that. Then we've got a page about seals and the other deer page there. Now we've got a side pocket down here, the full length of the page, and a journaling card in there. Backed again, some stenciling. Slides into there. Another one of these envelopes with a tag in the back and a little journaling card inside. Isn't this paper so pretty? And a little topper that says joy in every day. And there is joy in every day. There really is. Some more flower book page, a horizontal belly band with a nice journaling card in. That's just so pretty. And stenciling, just so when you remove the journaling card or whatever it is, you've got stenciling behind it and it looks pretty. And here we've got a double pocket with 2 tags in. That's a biggish tag there, well, a big tag in fact, and that goes into the back. And then we've got this smaller one that goes into the front. And it says beautiful moments. So, and then that's the other side of the cover. Isn't it gorgeous? So that goes like that. That's our journal. I really hope if you made it that you enjoyed making it. I know I certainly did. It wasn't too taxing. It was just pure pleasure. And, you know, sometimes we get so caught up in junk journals doing this, that and the other that you kind of lose a bit of the pleasure. This was just pure pleasure. I loved it. I loved making it. And I hope that if you've made it, you've enjoyed yours too. And I shall pop this up on my Etsy shop and it will be for sale and somebody else can give it a nice new home. So thanks for watching, guys. See you all soon. Bye.